So the last two integrations are more recent ones, but that is a Slack integration. Now, Slack is a kind of internal messaging service. This helps a lot of our bigger teams. Anytime a team of 3 or 4 people starts doing business in real estate, oftentimes they have internal comms. Slack is one of those companies in which they would use. So kind of think of it like Facebook Messenger, but it's specifically for your company. You have different channels that they're able to talk with. Well, now you can add an integration directly into Slack. And so Sam can actually ping into your Slack and let you know when things occur, oftentimes through the routines.
Absolutely. And that routine setup is really nice. You can send it to an individual person. You can send it to a group that you've got set up. So maybe anytime a new lead comes in, you want it to automatically send you a Slack message. New lead came in, whatever. So you have some power there to do some additional stuff.
Absolutely. And it's all about that speed to lead concept. The sooner we get information about individuals coming into our business, while Sam's helping deal with the initial communication of them, we're starting to work on getting us to a point. We have that ability to